Welcome to the meal prep for weight loss video. If you're looking to lose weight and maintain a healthy diet, meal prep can be a powerful tool in your arsenal. By preparing healthy meals in advance, you can save time, reduce food waste, and make it easier to stick to your healthy eating plan throughout the week. Before we get started, please take a moment to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. And if you find any of the tips or recipes in this video helpful, please leave a comment below to let me know and share it with your friends who may also benefit from this content. Alright, let's dive into meal prep for weight loss. In this video, I'll be sharing tips and recipe ideas for meal prepping with weight loss in mind. Whether you're new to meal prep or looking for fresh ideas, this video will provide you with the tools you need to achieve your weight loss goals. So, let's get started with some tips on how to make meal prep work for weight loss. Choose low-calorie recipes. One of the keys to successful meal prep for weight loss is choosing recipes that are low in calories but high in nutrients. This means selecting foods that are filling and satisfying, but won't leave you feeling weighed down or sluggish. Here are some tips for selecting low-calorie recipes for your meal prep. 1. Focus on lean protein sources. Choose lean cuts of meat, such as chicken breast, turkey, or fish, and incorporate plant-based protein sources, such as beans, lentils, or tofu. 2. Load up on vegetables. Vegetables are low in calories but high in nutrients, fiber, and water, making them a great choice for weight loss meal prep. Choose a variety of colorful veggies, such as broccoli, carrots, peppers, spinach, and tomatoes, and incorporate them into your meals in creative ways. 3. Choose healthy fats. While you want to limit your overall calorie intake for weight loss, it's important to incorporate healthy fats into your diet. Choose sources such as avocado, nuts, seeds, and olive oil to provide your body with the nutrients it needs while keeping your calorie intake in check. By choosing recipes that focus on these key components, you can create delicious and satisfying meals that will help you reach your weight loss goals. So, next up, let's talk about some recipe ideas that you can use for your meal prep. Portion control. Portion control is a crucial aspect of meal prep for weight loss. Even if you're choosing healthy, low-calorie recipes, eating too much of anything can still lead to weight gain. By controlling your portion sizes, you can ensure that you're getting the right amount of nutrients without overdoing it on the calories. Here are some tips for portion control during meal prep. 1. Use a food scale. A food scale is an essential tool for portion control during meal prep. Weighing your ingredients can help you get a more accurate idea of how much you're eating, so you can adjust your portions accordingly. 2. Invest in portion control containers. Portion control containers are a great way to make sure that you're eating the right amount of each food group. These containers are pre-measured and color-coded, so you can easily pack your meals with the right portions of protein, vegetables, carbs, and healthy fats. 3. Stick to serving sizes. When planning your meals, make sure to stick to the recommended serving sizes for each ingredient. This information can usually be found on the packaging or in a recipe, and can help you avoid overeating. By focusing on portion control during your meal prep, you can make sure that you're fueling your body with the right amount of nutrients without overdoing it on the calories. So, let's move on to some recipe ideas that you can use for your weight loss meal prep. Healthy snack options. Snacking can be a challenge when you're trying to lose weight. It's easy to reach for high-calorie, processed snacks when you're hungry between meals. However, by planning ahead and prepping healthy snack options, you can keep your hunger at bay without derailing your weight loss progress. Here are some healthy snack options to consider for your meal prep. 1. Fresh fruits and vegetables. Fresh fruits and vegetables are a great snack option because they're low in calories and packed with nutrients. You can prep them ahead of time by washing and cutting them into bite-sized pieces, so they're easy to grab and go. 2. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a great source of protein, and can help keep you feeling full between meals. You can portion it out into containers and add some fresh fruit or a drizzle of honey for a sweet treat. 3. Hard-boiled eggs. Hard-boiled eggs are a convenient and protein-packed snack option. You can boil a batch ahead of time and store them in the fridge for easy snacking. 4. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are a great source of healthy fats and can help keep you feeling full between meals. Just be mindful of portion sizes, as they can be calorie-dense. By prepping healthy snack options, you can avoid reaching for high-calorie, processed snacks and keep your weight loss progress on track. Now, let's move on to some recipe ideas for your weight loss meal prep. Meal prep hacks. Meal prep can seem like a daunting task, but with a few hacks, it can be a lot easier and less time-consuming. 1. Use batch cooking. Batch cooking involves making large quantities of food at once, which can save you time and energy in the long run. For example, you can roast a big batch of vegetables or cook a large pot of quinoa, which can be used in multiple meals throughout the week. 2. Invest in quality containers. Investing in quality containers can make all the difference when it comes to meal prep. Look for containers that are durable, leak-proof, and microwave-safe. You can also consider getting containers with compartments to keep your food organized and prevent it from getting soggy. 3. Prep in stages. You don't have to do all your meal prep at once. Instead, break it up into stages throughout the week. For example, you can chop all your vegetables on Sunday, cook your proteins on Monday, and assemble your meals on Tuesday. This can help you avoid feeling overwhelmed and make meal prep more manageable. 4. Repurpose leftovers. Don't let your leftovers go to waste. Repurpose them into new meals throughout the week. For example, leftover roasted vegetables can be used in a salad or omelet, and leftover grilled chicken can be chopped up and used in a wrap or stir-fry. By using these meal prep hacks, you can save time and energy while still staying on track with your weight loss goals. Conclusion. Meal prep can be an effective tool for weight loss, and it doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. By choosing low-calorie recipes, practicing portion control, incorporating healthy snacks, and using meal prep hacks, you can make healthy eating a lot easier and more enjoyable. Remember, meal prep is all about setting yourself up for success. By taking the time to plan and prepare your meals in advance, you can avoid making impulsive food choices and stay on track with your weight loss goals. Thank you for watching this video on meal prep for weight loss. We hope that you found the tips and recipe ideas helpful for achieving your health goals. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and consider subscribing to our channel for more content like this. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to be alerted when we upload new videos. Also, we love hearing from our viewers, so please leave a comment below and let us know your thoughts on the video or any tips you have for meal prep. And don't forget to check out the links in the video description for additional resources and meal prep ideas. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.